Hi, it's me Rini. Thank you so much for supporting Rini's creation. Today I will show you how to make authentic Japanese style drawing using Ice Beads paint app. So first, let's start with the line art of a Japanese girl. To turn this line art into a Japanese style drawing, first go to the material section. Select material patterns. Then select Japanese paper. Then adjust its position and save it. Then make it normal to overlay. Then lower the opacity of your line art. Now go to the brush section and select Deep Pen Bleed. Adjust its settings and start tracing the lines. I used red color to make the flowers and the ornaments. Now for the hair, choose flat watercolor brush and start by making simple strokes and make the hair. Now for the splash and brush drop effect, select splash brush from the brush section and make droplets to give it a more natural look. For the fan, select airbrush and lightly brush the fan area. Finally, for the background, select rough pencil brush and start coloring like this. Now, my Japanese style drawing is ready. To save your drawing, click on the arrow in the right bottom. Then save as transparent PNG and also save as PNG. The saved transparent PNG photo will look like this and the normal saved photo will look like this. Here I added another Japanese style drawing of mine. If you like my video, please like it and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos.